For the crepe batter, beat the eggs in a suitable bowl and add vegetable oil and salt. Mix well with the whisk, then add the milk and mix again. Add the sifted flour and mix until the batter is smooth and uniform. For the filling, chop the sausage, tomato, green bell pepper, and bell pepper finely. Sauté them in a pan with a little oil and spices for 2 to 3 minutes, then set aside to cool. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour a ladle of batter into the pan and spread it evenly. After cooking one side, flip it over and spread some of the sausage mixture on one side, then place a slice of pizza cheese on top. Fold the crepe over to form a half-moon shape, pressing it down to stick together. Cook it thoroughly by flipping it occasionally. Serve with your favorite sauce. Enjoy!